YouTube. So today I'm going to show you a function in RStudio where you can actually show all the functions available in a package. And so this is going to be helpful in understanding what additional functions we may not be aware of and also just understanding how we can actually get to that point. And so for today, we're going to use dplyr for the example. So first, we're going to load dplyr into RStudio. So we're going to run this right here. And so we're gonna do that. Okay, there we go. And so after we run it, we're then gonna enter the following: lsf dot, and you can see it right there appears. It's lsf.structure, and this will list out all the objects and functions within a package. And so this could be taken to forms lsf or ls.str. And so once we run this, we'll then be able to see all the functions and also the objectives. So we're going to do dot str, and then we're gonna do parentheses. We're going to do parentheses package, and then we're going to do the package name. So for this, it's going to be dplyr. So we're going to type that in, and then we're going to run it. And let me see. Yep, there we go. We're going to run it. And then as you can see all the functions, and like there's various of them, as you can see. And so it'll give you a better understanding of what is inside this package and also what there are additional things you can do. And so this is helpful in understanding more in regards to the packages we load. So hopefully this video has been helpful in exploring that.